हाय एवरीवन। आज थोड़ा सा रियल एस्टेट के की रोल्स के बारे में बात करते हैं विच इज़ डिराइविंग अ एंटायर रियल एस्टेट इकोसिस्टम। सो नॉर्मली हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि एंड यूज़र एंड बिल्डर, these are the two key entities in a real estate ecosystem. But there are many other important roles which we need to understand and keep in mind that all these different entities which we are going to talk about now together makes a real estate ecosystem, and they are very important to for operating real estate. So let's start with the builder. So builder is a very key entity who primarily acquires the land from landowners and take all the necessary permissions, etc., from different government agencies, and finally build a project and sell it. So we have a different examples. For example, DLF, MR, M3M. There are many different builders, which work and deliver around us. Then coming to the second very important key role in real estate ecosystem is broker, agent, and nowadays is also called, say, your channel partner, sales channel partner. So these are the people who join hands with builders and who connects buyers to builders. Of course, at the back of their working, they do a lot of marketing, they do a lot of other things to acquire customers. But we'll talk about it sometime, maybe sometime later. But let's primarily focus on the key roles. So the next one is a landlord. So he's the king. He is the one who owns the land parcel and who do the collaboration with builders to create projects on their land and share profits. Okay. Then the next one primarily is government officials, agencies. For example, RERA is one of the agencies. Then we have in Haryana we have HERA, who is operating. Uh, so all the builders needs to go to HERA and get the approvals, etc. Similarly, there are very different other agencies who are taking care of the entire process in the real estate. Then primarily there are different other people who comes into play. For example, we have facilities management. These are the people who give you managed apartments or managed residencies. So these are the companies who are managing uh, hotels, who are managing different residencies, and through which we are able to get the managed residencies, okay, which are managed by someone, some agency. All right. Then apart from all these roles, we have a very key role of a banker or a financier. So these are the people who give loans to builders to execute their projects and finally deliver it to the end user. So, and then in the last, we have a buyer who is the most important one. And primarily, we have two kind of buyers. We have an end user and we have an investor. So investors are the ones where who get in at the early stage and take their profit and exit. So they are only part of the project just for getting some ROI out of it. They don't want to use the project, or they don't want to use the inventory, but they want to primarily gain some business out of it. But then end user are the people who are actually using the project. So आई होप आप लोगों को एक फेयर आइडिया लग गया होगा दैट what are the main entities who together makes a real estate ecosystem, and That's how we operate in the Indian market or any other market in the world. Thank you.